What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a cool song, Stuck in the Middle with You. Fairly easy if you just want to play the chords. I like to play that little melody there. So, but fairly easy. No bar chords. Alright, let's go. We're in standard tuning. Song is in D. We don't really want a full D major. It's more like, let's just play D, which is 2G, 3B. If you want, open E string. Get a G. G7. 1, 2, 3. G7. First finger, first fret, E. You get an A. 1, 2, 3. Get a C major. 2, 3. That's basically all the chords. D7, let's add D7 to it. So from D, just go. So that's first finger B, second finger G. Alright, so I'd like to play this melody, and I think it's in the song, for the verses. Instead of just going. So to support that verse there, the singing. So that's grab G string and B string, 7. And then 5, 7. And then 4, 3. And then you're back at the D. So 2 hits, 1 here and 1 here, and then we're at the D. Here's the main strumming. G major, G7, melody, A major, C, G. Let's do that again. G major, G7. Major, C, G, and then we have the bridge, G, G7. There I go from D to D7. G7, G7. This is where they break down. 2, 3, 4. That's D. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Let's go D7. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Back to a verse. G major. G7. Melody. A major. C, G. Okay, bridge. G, G7, D. All apart. Just verses and bridge. Let's review everything. So we got that melody for the verses. 7, 5, 7, 4, 3, 2, 3. And we got G, 2, 3, 4, G7, and melody. Bridge G, G7, D, D7, D, D7, G, G7, and breakdown. Alright, cool guys. Fun tune. See you guys tomorrow. Take it easy, be safe, and stay cool.